Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have such an interesting and very delicious recipe. We are making a mango mousse cake, and the most interesting part is it's a no bake. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you'll need is mangoes. Here we have 3 big mangoes that you're going to use. So basically what you want to do is wash, and you can just remove the flesh by cubing them or just removing the flesh, since at the end of it all what you want to do is get the puree from these mangoes by blending the mangoes. So what you want to do is just put these mangoes in a blender and blend until smooth, and ensure there are no lumps. It has to be very smooth, very blended. Then what you want to do next is to prepare the creamy part of the mousse. So we do this by whipping some whipping cream until it's at its stiff peaks. So as you can see, we whipped the cream and there it is. Then what you want to do next is to put 2 teaspoons of gelatin and 2 teaspoons of hot water. You mix this up to activate the gelatin or to make it jelly-like. Then what you want to do next is add some of that mango puree to this gelatin, and then what you'll do after this is you'll put that mango gelatin mixture in the whipping cream that you already whipped, just to set it up and to give the cream some mango flavor. Yes, as you can see, that's what you're doing here. So just put the cream on your bowl, mix it up with the gelatin mixture that you used until it's well combined, and then we can pour this on our set base. So basically a mousse cake, or our no bake mousse cake, has a biscuit base. So we didn't cook that up, we just crushed the biscuits, we pat them deep in the tray, and then we'll layer this cream and gelatin mixture on it, just to layer it up and set it up in the fridge to let it set and become a bit firm. This is a delicious recipe you can make to have as a dessert or to surprise your loved ones. It's very simple to make. Do not be fooled by the gelatin thing. It's very easy to make. You can get gelatin at any cake shop or any shop that stocks cake products or cake items. So yeah, you can make this by yourself, so do not be afraid. So let's get into the next step. In a bowl we added 2 tablespoons of gelatin and 2 tablespoons of hot water. I added just an extra one because it was a bit too little. Then you just want to mix this up. This is for the top layer glaze, the one that looks jelly-like or rubbery, yeah, that one. So this is how you make it. Then to this you'll microwave this a bit so it can be a bit runny. Then you'll add some sugar to this. You'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar to this just to make it sweet. And then the final thing you'll add to this is the mango puree. Yes, we were using fresh mango puree for this, just to give it the really natural tasting tastes. After the cream layer has set for about 10 minutes, you pour in the gelatin mango mixture on top, just to give it the shiny glaze and the jelly-like top that the mousse cake usually has. So you want to set this in the fridge overnight so that you can enjoy it the next day, or for at least 6 hours, to let everything set and you can enjoy your cake. This is very delicious, very very natural tasting because we used real mangoes. And yes, you can do this in your house. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, please leave a comment, leave a like, and please share with your family and friends. And try these recipes, guys. Try these recipes and tag me on our Instagram page at Aurelia's Kitchen 254. See you on the next video, and bye.